In this video, I'm going to show you how to update plugins on your WordPress website. This is going to take you no time at all, and you can do them all at once or one at a time to save time and effort. So let's jump straight into this. Alrighty, so I'm in the back end of a WordPress website, and the first thing to know is where to actually go. So how do you know if you've got plugins to update, and how do you actually access them? So there's two ways to do this. The first way is to literally go into the plugin section and you'll see them there. However, this isn't the best way to do things. WordPress actually gives you a handy little tool to notify you. What you'll see is this little dual arrow with a number next to it. If you don't see this, then you don't have any plugins to update. So you're all good and you don't need to watch this video. If you do see this logo and a number, it means you need to do a little bit of work. Good news is it's very easy to do. Okay, so I can see here that when I've come in there, it said I had one, but there's actually two. This does sometimes happen. But to update your plugins, all you need to do is come down, click this select all, and click update plugins. What this is going to do is it's going to do a bulk update of all available plugins, and it's going to tell you whether it was successful or whether it wasn't. So in this case, as this is running, you'll see them happen one by one. The good thing with WordPress is it does tell you why that error is there. And most often than not, then this is the typical error you're going to get. It's going to be a premium plugin that for some reason or another, either your license has expired or it no longer supports updates on your website. So in the example of this one here, you'll see that there is a license and it has expired. So all I'd need to do to fix this is go in, click this link, renew the license, and then I could update the plugin. If I now go back to the plugin update section, then you can see here that only the one is left. So I hope this has been helpful.